Now, there's a lot of controversy about the usefulness of a digital twin, but the fact is we already have digital twins, digital cities. We already have smart cities to a certain extent. So it's really more shifting the conversation and focus to how will these roll out and be incorporated into more projects? And what would this look like in a web-based app environment? And this is what I think is incredibly exciting. So if you think about it, if you're in this web-based environment, it wouldn't be that far of a stretch to actually be designing in a digital replica of your location. So that could look like a metaverse to a certain extent, where you are actually in a digital replication of your city or project, and you could design within that environment. Now, that sounds pretty cool, right? What's really useful about that is the fact that you can now layer in additional data, real-time data, based on that location. So GIS data, local climate conditions. There is a ton of additional information you can overlay when designing directly in this metaverse environment. Then, once you've made that design and then delivered that digital asset to your client that they can now use, now this project has been built and there can be a true connection between the digital and the physical, and there can be feedback between those projects. So, for instance, you could have sensors within your project that could do a number of things. Some of those sensors could be for the building operations, so you could control specific building operations through the digital model. And also, you can get user feedback through sensors, results of your design, and really understand what you said is actually what happened. Similarly, if you run an energy simulation, how did the original energy simulation compare to the real building's performance? And you could start to track that. And what's kind of intriguing about that concept is then it's connected to the digital city or smart city, where you can really start to understand your project in a larger context.